So guys, now let me tell you that where we stayed and just show you around. So we stayed at this beautiful bungalow called the White House, and this is between Panchgani and Mahabaleshwar, just 2.5 kilometers short of Mapro. और जैसे मैंने बोला अभी अब की बार हमने प्लान किया कि हम रिजॉर्ट या होटल में नहीं रुक के इस बंगलो में रुकेंगे और the rates were also quite decent, so I'll show you how this bungalow was. So come on, let's go. So guys, this was the side entrance, and this is what the bungalow looks like. So we have a small seating area here, and a dining table with some tables. We are actually checking out, so it's a little messed up. And you see these stairs going up. So there is one bedroom upstairs, and there is one bedroom on the ground floor. So here is the room that we have. The lights here. So friends, here is the room that you see just entered. So there is a cupboard, a double bed, a study table, a refrigerator, the cupboard, and attached with this room, so we have a TV and AC, and attached with the room we have the attached toilet, which has hot and cold water. So this has 24-hour hot and cold water available, and this is the lovely room. So it's a very comfortable place, and the best thing is that we have a balcony outside. So there is a balcony here, which is so amazing. And ta-da! So this room has an attached balcony, and the same is upstairs. So we have one room upstairs with the same double bed and attached toilet, bathroom, AC and LCD TV, and which also has a balcony. So this is a cute outlet that we have. This is a cute room that we have, and this is really comfortable. So if I just show you outside, so this is the small area outside. Just the best part about this bungalow. It's all quiet, lovely scenery, and this is small swings for children. There's a place to sit out, a beautiful lawn, and here is where you have a good parking, as well as another lawn upstairs and a huge parking space as well. So this is the bungalow that we have called the White House Bungalow. The details of the bungalow I will give it to you in the description, and even the rates. The rates keep on varying, so I'm not able to give you an exact rate, but the rates keep on varying from season to season. And you can hire one room, you can take both the rooms. So again, this whole place is up to you. There's a caretaker who takes care of your breakfast, lunch and dinner if you wish to, or you can tell him and have it outside, or you get it delivered. So there are good people here. So we have a guy. So he was our caretaker, and he was here who was serving us tea, coffee, and we had a very good time.